Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Magic Set Kids is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys available for children today, offering a fantastic opportunity for them to explore the world of magic and develop crucial cognitive skills in a fun and interactive way. This set is designed to spark creativity and build confidence as young aspiring magicians learn and perform their very own tricks, making it an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion where you want to provide a child with hours of imaginative play and skill-building entertainment. Number 5. National Geographic Science Magic Kit. Discover the excitement where science meets magic. This kit lets you perform over 100 unique experiments and magic tricks. You can bend metal with water, make a coin float, and so much more. Each experiment is designed to be a dazzling magic trick. With the included magic wand and gloves, your child can truly become a magician. It's educational fun like never before. This kit provides all the necessary materials for 20 incredible science magic tricks. Amaze your friends and family by making snow appear, creating square bubbles, or becoming waterproof using physics and chemistry. When the magic show is over, the learning doesn't have to stop. A bonus guide offers over 85 additional experiments using common household items. Keep the curiosity going. From Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. We are dedicated to creating products that inspire education, imagination, and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our US support team. What we like. This kit truly blends the excitement of magic with the principles of science. If you're looking for a way to make learning engaging and hands-on, this is it. It's perfect for curious kids who love to ask why and want to see science in action through captivating illusions. What people say. The experiments feel like magic, but they teach real science concepts, which makes it even better. This kit is packed with over 100 unique experiments that have kept her engaged and excited about science. The instructions are clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it simple for us to dive right into each experiment. Number 4. MARVIN'S Magic Kids Magic Set. Discover a world of wonder with this incredible magic set, featuring 225 astonishing tricks and illusions. It's designed for aspiring magicians aged 6 and up, making complex tricks easy to master in minutes. This deluxe edition allows your little one to put on a professional quality magic show for friends and family. It provides hours of entertainment and endless fun with its amazing selection of tricks. Perfect for beginners, this kit includes high-quality, child-friendly props designed for young hands. No prior experience is needed to start performing incredible magic. Learn every trick with ease thanks to the included illustrated instruction booklet. You can also download our app for exclusive video tutorials to enhance the learning experience. Packed with cool props and tricks, this set guarantees hours of fun as children master each illusion. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and develop new skills. This timeless magic box set is the ideal gift for any child who dreams of becoming a magician. It's perfect for developing social skills while having an absolute blast. What we like. If you want a comprehensive magic set that offers an incredible number of tricks for endless practice, this is the one. It's ideal for aspiring young magicians who are eager to put on a full show and impress their audience with a wide repertoire of illusions. What people say. The magic set comes with a lot of tricks. We used the app because it has videos that show you how to do the tricks right. That makes it much easier for kids like my cousins who aren't old enough to read that well yet. The tricks have been fun for him to learn and he is enjoying using the app. Number 3. National Geographic Magic Kit. Discover the wonder of magic with this incredible kit. It's packed with everything you need to start performing amazing illusions right away. Master the secrets behind famous tricks using classic props. Learn illusions with cups and balls, a mysterious coin case, and even a magic wand. Elevate your skills with a specialized card deck designed for learning sleight of hand. Practice and perform a wide variety of card tricks. Get step-by-step video instructions for all 45 tricks from a professional magician. Learn the secrets for a flawless performance. Go beyond the basics and learn multiple variations of each trick. You'll be ready to put on a complete magic show in no time. We are committed to providing high-quality toys. If your experience isn't extraordinary, we'll make it right. What we like. This kit focuses on teaching the fundamentals of classic magic with expert guidance. If you or your child want to learn the secrets behind famous illusions from a professional magician through clear video tutorials, this is an excellent choice for building foundational magic skills. What people say. The set includes a wide variety of props, cards, coins, cups, wands, and the step-by-step video instructions were a huge plus, especially for younger kids just learning the basics. The directions are easy and the pieces are all in there so the child can do the tricks in just a few minutes. Good quality items with well-made instructions that my kid can easily follow. Number 2. Mega Magic Kit for Kids. Introducing the Mega Magic Kit, the ultimate magic set designed to spark your child's imagination. With hundreds of exciting tricks to learn, they'll be putting on spectacular shows in no time. This incredible set comes with 28 magic props, offering the largest selection of tricks available. Your child can become the star of the show, mastering illusions that will amaze everyone. Learning magic has never been easier. Our step-by-step instructional videos, led by Master Magician Leif Davis, along with a clear manual, ensure your child can perform tricks quickly and confidently. Looking for a gift that provides endless entertainment? This Magic Starter Kit is perfect for children aged 6 to 12, offering varied trick levels to keep them engaged and inspire imaginative play. Crafted from the highest quality materials, this magic wand set is built to last. It even includes a 2-level magic box for neat and convenient storage of all the magical tools. Experience the magic with confidence. Our 30-day return policy means your child can explore their new skills completely risk-free. Let them dazzle with one of the most complete magic sets ever created. What we like. For the ultimate magic experience with a vast array of tricks and props, this set is unparalleled. If you're seeking a magic kit that provides the largest selection on the market and includes video guidance for hundreds of tricks, this will keep your young magician entertained for hours. What people say. The kit contains a variety of tricks and the tricks are fairly easy to learn and the kids were eager to show off their magic skills. It's packed with over 100 tricks and comes with everything kids need to feel like real magicians: wands, cards, cups, rings, and more. The props are colorful, sturdy, and sized just right for small hands. The tutorial videos and instruction manual make learning the tricks easy and fun. There were some tricks that she could do immediately: the cut rope, vase. The instruction booklet and videos are very helpful for more difficult tricks. Quality seems great after a few days and being dropped on the tile floor a couple of times. Number 1. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors. Discover a world of color with our Air Dry Clay set, featuring 66 brilliant shades. It's perfect for mixing and creating unique hues, offering endless fun and artistic exploration for your child. This soft, non-sticky modeling clay is incredibly easy to shape and mold. It's designed to spark your child's imagination and keep them engaged in the joy of creating art. With 66 vibrant colors, this clay set helps develop color recognition and hand-eye coordination. Encourage your child to put down the screens and dive into a world of creativity. Crafted from safe, gluten-free, and allergen-free materials, our modeling clay meets strict safety standards. It's recommended for children aged 3 and up, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Looking for a unique gift? This modeling clay kit is ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion. It provides hours of entertainment and artistic development for boys and girls. Each set comes with 66 colors, an instruction booklet, and 4 sculpting tools. Everything your child needs to start their artistic journey is right here. What we like. This is not a magic kit, but a fantastic art supply for creative expression. If you're looking for a way to keep children engaged with hands-on, imaginative play away from screens, this extensive modeling clay set with 66 colors is perfect for fostering artistic skills and color recognition. What people say. The Magic Set Kids is a fantastic introduction to magic, with easy-to-learn tricks that even young children can master. The set includes a variety of props and detailed instructions, making it a comprehensive package for aspiring magicians. Children are engaged and entertained for hours with the diverse range of illusions and the clear, step-by-step guides provided. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.